Phase 6. Auto-resume fires. The probe succeeds, run loop is called and nothing happens. No error, no crash, just silence. Here is what stale closures mean in practice. When React creates a use callback hook, it captures the current values of all variables. Schedule poll captured the initial version of run loop. When the component renders with new state, run loop is recreated, but schedule poll still holds a reference to the old frozen version. Calling it does nothing. The fix is architectural. We move all processing logic run loop, schedule poll, probe, pause out of React hooks and into a plain JavaScript object called the engine. Plain object methods read from the same shared mutable object at call time. There are no closures, no stale captures, and React rendering is completely uninvolved. The engine is created exactly once using useRef. It is never recreated on render. When schedule poll calls e.runLoop, it looks up runLoop on the live engine object at the moment of the call, not at creation time. There is no stale closure. The function is always the current version. To verify the fix works, add two console log statements. One after the probe fires showing the result, and one at the start of run loop. Open Browser DevTools, click the Console tab, and watch for probe result OK true followed immediately by run loop started. If both appear in sequence, auto-resume is working correctly. Here is the complete build checklist, 12 items, one for each lesson from the 6 phases. System prompt ending with JSON instructions. Max tokens at 4,000. Batch size 2 with retry. Pop-up parse for files. Spread the original row. Save to storage. Restore unload. Probe correctly. Engine pattern. Base 64 download. Is running flag. All 12 checked. That is the complete build. 6 phases, 4 bugs fixed, 1 architectural rewrite. The finished tool processes over 1,500 products, saves progress after every batch, auto-resumes when credit limits refresh, and outputs a file that imports cleanly into BigCommerce. All built through conversation with Claude, no code editor required. Visit claude.ai to build your own.